Greetings. Welcome to Consider the Alternative, a Course in Miracles channel. Today we're on Lesson 279, Creation's Freedom Promises My Own. The end of dreams is promised me because God's Son is not abandoned by His love. Only in dreams is there a time when He appears to be in prison and awaits a future freedom, if it be at all. Yet in reality his dreams are gone, with truth established in their place, and now is freedom his already. Should I wait in chains which have been severed for release, when God is offering me freedom now? I will accept your promises today and give my faith to them. My Father loves the Son whom He created as His own. Would you withhold these gifts you gave to me? Lesson 279, Creation's Freedom Promises My Own. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow.